Renee with Tex-Mac, Happy Japan Embroidery Machines, yes.
Ooh, nice.
Okay.
So he's going to talk to us about these machines right here.
Okay.
What's the difference between them and Malcolm?
Okay, well, the big thing about us is the name of the machine is Happy Japan, and that's truthfully reflects where they're made. All of these are made in a factory in northern Japan, and their philosophy is they make the entire machine there. It actually started out as a foundry in 1903, so the foundry is still there. So the casting for this machine is actually done on site at the factory. The electronics, including the circuit boards, are built at the factory. So everything is built there. So what that means is this is an extremely vertically integrated manufacturer, which means they have extreme control over quality and cost. So as a result, these machines, now I've been working for this company for 25 years, and we sold machines, when I was dealing with them back then, a lot of the customers we sold machines to 25 years ago are still running their machines.
Really?
They love their machines. You'll find if you look up anybody that owns a Happy machine at the time, now they're called Happy Japan, they're stark raving mad fans of these because not everybody knows them. It's almost like maybe Indian motorcycles where they're kind of a cool, brand nobody knows, but then you find the people who have them are extremely satisfied with the quality. It's almost a cult following. So
perfect. And that's the information I want to give to.
Right, exactly.
There's a lot of great machines out there.
Right. Yeah, it's a very interesting story with this. Now, we're the distributor, Tex-Mac Incorporated. We started working with Happy when they started selling machines in the late 80s. They started out with the big multi-heads, and they were known to be tough, and as our reputation grew, they actually merged with the sewing machine division, and they had friendly touchscreen control panels. So Happy's actually Singer in Japan. So they're actually Singers are all made by Happy. Happy also makes Janome and a lot of Janome machines and other brand sewing machines and they make them at the factory. So they're a really big manufacturing facility. But their own brand, of course, they're drawing on that manufacturing experience to have extremely user-friendly touchscreens. The machines themselves are also very easy to maintain. They don't need greasing. Just a little bit of oiling, a little bit of cleaning.
Really?
So they're among the most maintenance-friendly machines on the market. I would say the most maintenance-friendly because there are some other good brands on this floor. They're just a little more maintenance-intensive. The control panels are not quite as user-friendly. So I get a lot of people who just love these. Operators love them because they're easy to train on. So we get that a lot. And you can see we have all sizes here. We've got small single heads around the 100-pound class, and they're great starter machines, but they're also built well enough that you can run them hard 10, 12 hours a day, years on end, and they will produce their quality lasts for years and years. And they upgrade to bigger, faster machines that have bigger sewing areas and also higher sustained speeds for greater production. And of course, we have our multi-heads that go from 4, 6, and 8, and 12. We can pretty much have a product for any size embroidery operation.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, and we provide.
And they still have the same maintenance-free as these ones.
Right. These are lighter on maintenance than all of these are lighter on maintenance because of their philosophy. They build them like with sealed bearings so that the grease stays in them. We'll take them apart like maybe after 10 years and we'll look at them and we'll check. But I mean, it lasts. I've taken apart 10, 12-year-old machines and they're still great.
Yeah. Melco, I had to grease it like every 1,000 stitches or every couple.
Okay.
If you say I don't have to do that with this is a good buy.
Yeah. Yes, it's a very good buy.
Want to maintain this stuff.
Yeah, we're very cost competitive. Now, Melco is of course an established brand among other brands and stuff, but I'm not the kind of person to talk down about other brands, but I'll tell you, if you do your research, talk to other Happy Japan owners. We encourage you to, and you'll see that they'll have that experience, and maybe we hope that you get an opportunity to maybe have your own machine too, as well.
Perfect.
So,
thank you so much.
Oh, no problem.
I'm sure that everybody else will actually love it too, you know?
No, we hope so too.
Like I said, I want to pass information. I don't want people to think, oh, this is the best one or this is the greatest one or some nonsense. No, every machine have their pluses and their minuses.
Yeah, right.
And the more we know, the better choices we can make.
Right.
Right. And as a company who has built in Japan, less maintenance, I didn't even know that things didn't have that much maintenance.
Yeah, they're of course you got to maintain any piece of equipment.
Right, but, you know,
we're just much friendlier. Yes.
And that minute minute. I mean, that's
it's
more
less
time
down.
for me to run the machine or do something else.
Or you don't have to train your operators as much because you're going to get part-time operators that maybe aren't as invested as you as the business owner.
Right.
So the less you have to train them, the better, and you'll get better production out of people that maybe not are quite as invested as you are. So, yeah.
Thank you again for your time, sir.
Oh, no problem. Okay, quick.
Step up your A game, step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.